connection wasn't to Bill Carlton. It must have been the sheriff.
Bill and the sheriff. They were both involved with Peter.
What about Chris? My dad, what are you talking about?
Lucas? Lucas, what is it?
Lucas? Honey?
You and Lucas get back to the house and stay there, okay?
Peter Spike. Who are you?